Oh, how I wish the waterproof membrane shown here was used in the main house, you know? At least waterproof membrane was used for the summer hut, so.
Hello everyone, how you doing today? Hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing fantastic. I hope everything is going well with you and your loved ones. And today, I hope that BBI you're okay. So today I'm working on the tiles up here on the balcony or the porch. So the tiles, which is this is expensive porcelain tiles from Italy. However, it gets extremely dirty so fast, and it's hard to clean. I mean, the dirt that it traps is ridiculous. So this is what we've done so far. So the water dampness has been covered. I mean, it was treated previously, but the work was not done perfectly. So now I used tiles to tile from the base to this length, at least for cosmetic reason. I'm not sure if this is the best solution for the water dampness, but at least it covers, it's not an eyesore. So this is the best solution that I can, have for now. It was a recommendation and I like it. I selected these tiles to kind of match the floor a little bit, and I hope it's not an eyesore. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. And they've done a really, really good job. They've come a very long way. And I like it. It's looking really, really nice. And I can't wait to see the finished product. The finished work. And the flowers, they're not destroying them here. And what do we do with the sun? Wow, back is almost done. It's come a very long way. And this is how it's looking. So what you hear? Pretty much a video I say what you
Hey, I'm a rope. Hey, I don't want to do it.
This is what we're doing out here. This is how it's looking. I like the choice of tiles that I chose. The masons have moved up to the top and they are almost done tiling the top, the summer hut. Yes, that's why I call it. I don't know how anybody else call it, but I think that's what we call it in Ghana. Maybe so, I don't know, that's what I call it. But yeah, they're almost done tiling the top, and it's looking really nice. I really like the color of the tiles. It's easy to clean. This one is very, very light. It's more glossier and it's easy to clean. I mean, it's not that glossy, it has a little friction, but not that much. Now, I really hated the landscape of the garden area, the flower area or wherever you're supposed to do your garden and plants, vegetation. The shape was awful. I mean, hideous. So I decided to reshape it, and that is what they're breaking it apart and reshape it. Trying to pour a pool, like a mini above ground pool on this side here. So this little, I intentionally left this space. Originally I was going to make like flower heart flower designs there. But I know this compound is small. Yeah, feel free to judge. It's okay. I just don't like too much heat. So when it gets so hot, I like to cool down myself. And I want to have a pool to dip into. So it's a small above ground pool, and I'm going to insert a picture. But it's going to be here. And this is the pool guy that's trying to take measurement and see how we're going to fit it in this section right here. Yeah. I'm going to insert a picture. So it's going to be right here. And this is the blocks for the pool. And it's going to be above ground, maybe 3 feet above ground, or and 2 feet, down. Like foundation will probably be like 2 feet tall. Electrician work in progress for the lights. Yes, think maybe I'll put a few spotlights and the main lights. Due to the water dampness issue in the main house, I made sure that with the summer hut we used waterproof membrane. Yes, waterproof membrane was used in addition to waterproof chemical mixed with the cement to make sure that we don't have the same problem of water dampness in the summer hut. Yep, I guess once you know better, you do better. Hopefully, I won't see any water dampness with this one here. Had I known what I know now, I would have done the same thing for the main house, but I didn't know. So once you know better, like I said, you do better. I'm going to add some pillar lights on top of each pillar that the guy is dressing right here. And by the time you see this video, it'll probably be done already. But yeah, my videos are behind, but rest assured, I will try my best to get it here on YouTube. All right, busy with work. So yeah, that's such is the life.
So today I'm working on the tiles up here on the balcony or the porch. So the tiles, which is this is expensive porcelain tiles from Italy. However, it gets extremely dirty so fast, and it's hard to clean. I mean, the dirt that it traps is ridiculous. I guess pressure washer would be the best solution for it, but instead of that, I am going to get pressure washer that I can wash the tiles, the main compound tiles with it. However, in the meantime, the work is just too ridiculous to keep this clean. So we have taken the tiles out, and I'm going to replace it with tiles that I got from the summer hut. The tiles there, I'll go there and do a video later, but since I've already used the different tiles for it, I'm going to match this one with this so that it's uniform. So this porcelain tiles, I wish it can be savage, or sometimes we can use broken tiles for other work. So if we can salvage it to use it for another project, or perhaps donate it to someone to use it, or maybe I can use it on another project that I'm working on. So we'll see what can be done with it. The towels are, it's an outside towel, but look at it. Let's take a close look. So for that reason, I'm getting it replaced. And this is more like a glossy towels, and it's not as difficult to clean it. And I think I like it better. It's black and white, and it's going to be much better than this. So They just took it out this morning. It started last night and they finished taking it out this morning. So we're going to install towels, the vacuum line towels to match this. So I'll show you the finish work, or even in between, like during the clearing up of the old towels and putting in the mortar, which is cement mixed with water, to adhere to the tiles. Once we have it, that is being done, I'll get a video of that, and then I'll also show you the final, the finished work. For this thing, I'll be sure to stay connected, and I will show you the building project. I know it's slow, I'm taking my time, I'm not in a rush, but since things are getting so, it's ridiculously expensive and done like triple, quadruple times as expensive. Like for instance, last year I bought a bag of cement for 35. A bag of cement was 35 cedis. Today a bag of cement is around 94 to 96 cedis, almost 100 cedis. And this was a few days ago. So by now it's possibly 100 cedis or it's surpassed 100 cedis. So for that reason alone, it's good to work on your project as fast as you can. If not, and if not, and you're not in a rush, just do whatever you can do, and God will take care of the rest. Out to the old, in with the new. This tile is being transformed in a snap.
I can't move your room. What's it? Yo, that's it.
As I showed you previously, the tiles were gray and it gets dirty so quick and it's hard to clean or keep up. So I had this removed and I will insert a picture over here or here. So now they're almost done laying the new tiles. And this is how it's looking. And it's looking really, really nice. Oh no, it's looking nice.
How bright
is it? Much better tiles, but so
It looks brighter.
It's looking really nice, and it's matching the top one. So I think it's better to have it uniform. Actually, the old tiles is from Italy, and it's porcelain, very good quality tiles, but it's hard to maintain. And I ended up with these cheaper, much cheaper towels. It looks nice aesthetically, however, I don't know how long it's going to last. So, but it's nice and it's easier to maintain. And, we're not going to be here that much on the patio. So, yeah, it's looking really, really nice. And now this work is on the skirting. They're almost done, and I will show you the finished work once everything is completed and cleaned out. But it's matching the tiles above the summer hut. So this one here is finished, and I think it's better to have it matching than looking at a different tiles here.
Please, excuse this interruption. I can't believe that just a short time ago, an idea popped in my head to deviate from my original plan of building this to, build what I call the summer hut. And I am really liking the transformation as we move forward. Let's rewind for a second, roll the tape.
As I was saying, the plan was to make a summer hut, and the idea just popped in the head, and decided to make the bottom like a one-bedroom self-contained. So it'll be one bedroom, a small dining, a small living room, a kitchenette, and like a toilet and bath. And then on top will be like the patio. So you have a stairs going up the patio, and it's going to look something like this, but probably smaller. Yeah, so that when you up, you can, enjoy the nice view, at night. So, yeah, so that's the plan, and I hope it works. So they're talking about it right now and see how it's going to work.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
I think it's better to have matching tiles so that, when you're looking at it, it's not eyesore. It matches what's up here. Yeah. So this is what we're working on, and I will show you once everything is laid out and finished and cleaned out. I will see you in the next scene. Ta-da! And voila! This is the new tiles. There you go. Thanks for watching.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste.
What's going on in the garage? Because of this water dampness issue that is making the walls, the painting peel, we're putting tiles on it. And this is how it's looking. And I will show you the finished work once it's done.
Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low, I tell them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I fear them. They think them a moving right. And a bad man they feel alright.
This 110 transformer used to be down here. I used to sit down here, and every time I parked the car in, I was always afraid of hitting it because this garage is actually very small. It's only one car garage, so I had to have the welder build this cage, and it's bolted with heavy bolts. So it's bolted up. This is the 110. It's the transformer that it's like a step down that regulates the voltage from 220 to 110. So I do have both 220, which is the voltage that's used in Ghana, and the 110, which is the voltage that's used in the US. So that when I have any appliances from, US or any country that uses 110 voltage, this voltage right here, steps down the 220 to 110. And this is how it looks. So this is 110 plug. If you live in the US, you know how this plug looks like. This is what we use in the US, and this is the Ghana plug. So you can have both. If you have appliances from abroad or from the US, you can easily, this transformer is the reason why I can have this 110 and the 220 all at the same time.
Them my mama got me a damn. Me and them hear what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them hear what I want. Tell them hear what I want. Say they don't try run me down. But man, me I never talk on me on.
Carry me go where my blessings day. Carry me go where my progress day. We ya me draw my soon. Angel me my soon. Carry me go where my blessings day. Carry me go where my success day. Oh we me ba mi she. Eleda mi ba mi show. Jackie go dele. Jackie go dele.
I've gone fat, right? No.
No. Oh, look.
Yeah. Okay.
It's all in like 6 months, right?
Yes. Even less than 6 months, I think.
Oh, yeah, because they have to do it over.
Yes.
And this is a sunbed,
Yes.
sun porch.
Yeah.
Oh, but look how it leads to the house.
The door is closed. Yeah, it's not open. Unless I go inside and open.
But at least you can see, you can go into the house from this way. And yeah, let's go back.
Yeah, it's recording.
Say, oh, yeah, me draw my soon. Elena, me draw my soon. Carry me go where my blessings day. Carry me go where my
Okay.
progress day. Oh, yeah, me draw my soon. Angel me my soon.
Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will try to be as consistent as I should be. Thank you so much for watching. Let us see the new show. Alright, with the next thing, stay connected.
Elena mi bá mi ṣọ́ wa, jẹ́ kí kórè délé, jẹ́ kí kórè délé. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, Ẹlẹ́dàá mi bá mi ṣọ́ wa, jẹ́ kí kórè délé.